So friends, we are here on day 3 of Sheru Classic 2016 and we have with us Ginny. She's an international athlete, she's a writer, plus she's the brand ambassador for Fit India. So we'll get in touch with her. Welcome to IBB, thanks for giving us time.
Thank you so much. Very kind of you to have been taking my interview.
So Ginny, how's the day been? You've been here for a couple of days now. How's the show going?
Well, I came here yesterday. Mainly, I have been called here because I'm the ambassador for Fit India. And we are asking all the countrymen and all the people who are visiting here to take pledges in this campaign to make India a fit nation. So I was primarily here for that.
So what's the concept of Fit India? What's the idea behind it?
Fit India is a campaign which has been launched in association with the Government of India. It's an initiative by Glanbia to talk about awareness of fitness and a lack of physical activity amongst the country and lack of proper nutrition. So we as brand ambassadors are going to talk about it. We are going to discuss with people about what is the importance of the right nutrition and what is the importance of physical activity in life.
So how's been the response of people who have been coming here?
It has been tremendous. God has been kind. I'm really grateful for that.
People would also want to like to know how do you stay fit? What's your diet like? What's a typical day like?
Firstly, I like to I stay fit obviously by proper weight training and I remain active throughout the day, and obviously I'm very watchful of my diet. My diet mainly depends on my fitness goals. If I'm competing and if I'm on a muscle gaining diet and whatever it is, my diet entirely depends on my fitness goals, which vary probably every 3 months. So when I'm on a competition prep mode, then my diet is entirely different, and when I'm on a regular diet, then it depends on what kind of a physique am I aiming for. So it has been varying ever since I got into fitness, which has not been very long. It's been only 2 years, as you know about it.
Yeah, so you were in the writing industry. So how did you start in this in fitness? What motivated you? What got into you into this?
I have been I was a teacher for a long time, and after that I became a lecturer, and then I got into writing. So writing is my passion, and I've authored almost 11 educational books as reference books for MA English, and after that I keep editing series of books, whether they are computer books, CVS books, and I give my input in lots of magazines. Slowly and gradually writing became a full-time passion, and I quit my job, and it was just mere coincidence that I entered the gym. And after I started exercising, within a span of 6 months or so, I was selected for the first World Championship, which was happening in Mumbai. It was the 6th World Championship. And I was selected to represent my country in the model physique category. And ever since then, they say it's history, as they say, it's history. There was no looking back after that. I competed in Jirai Classic. I was amongst the top 5, and then I became Miss Delhi twice, and then I represented India again in Asian Championship and in the World Championship last year. So this year I wanted to take a break from competing, primarily because I wanted to get into my best shape and step on the stage only to win. So that is the reason I wanted to give myself proper time for preparation, and meanwhile by God's grace I got chosen as the brand ambassador for Fit India campaign.
So in a span of 2 years, you have achieved a lot in this industry. Assuming you started 2 years back. So what's been your secret about this?
Hard work and believe in God. Extreme hard work.
And what's the message for people who are looking up to you, trying to be like achieve what you've achieved?
Firstly, I'm a strong believer in destiny and what God has planned. God has planned every possible step for us. And life is a learning. You'll meet a lot of people in life who will give you different vibes, positive vibes, negative vibes. Some of your very, very close associates probably may give you the toughest lessons in life. But then that is what life is all about. We need to keep learning, yet believe in God that whatever God will plan, nothing can be above that. No one can be above that. And I'm very hardworking. I'm a triple postgraduate. I'm MA, MAd, MBA from DU. And I've persistent work hard has been my only secret.
That's great. Ginny, coming back to the expo here, it's been going amazing. There's so many people, so much response. So what will you say about Sheru Classic?
Well, Sheru Classic is a wonderful endeavor here, and they have given a very good platform, and the kind of expo which is there, it is one of its kind. And I would also like to comment upon the participation and enthusiasm of people in India. So the scene in fitness industry is really changing. While it started probably in its stage of infancy, and it was it was mushrooming, but now you have athletes recognized by almost everybody. A lot of people visiting the expo mainly to meet the athletes, to talk to them, and we have people from all over the world, athletes from all over the world here, and I don't think they have got such tremendous response anywhere. So it's been really good, and thanks to your IBB site also, Indian Bodybuilding, you people are doing a great job. My compliments to you, and you are giving due priority and importance to the athletes and good recognition. So IBB rocks.
Thank you so much, Ginny. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Kind of you to have us.